Good morning children. So again we'll continue our chapter 1 recap. So in this recap chapter we are revising previously whatever the topics you have completed in previous sections. Okay. So now before going to explain what the homework will be in the textbook, today I want to explain the concept of even and odd. Okay. Even numbers, odd numbers. So how to identify the numbers which are even and how to number the numbers which are odd. Okay, even numbers, odd numbers. Even numbers concept, and next odd numbers. So even numbers, how to identify which is the even number. Okay, which is the even number means in one's place. You all know place values, no children? So place values, while you are writing the numbers in words, what I said, from the right side, start write the place values starting from the ones I said. Yes or no? I said so many times I repeated. Always write the place values from the right side, and the right side the first digit will be the ones. Okay, so now for identify the even numbers in ones place. Okay, in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, in ones place if 0 either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Out of these 5 digits, any one number will be. In which place value? Ones place value. Okay, if these numbers are there in ones place, then that numbers will be called even numbers. For example, look at the board. How much big number he may give. Don't worry about that big number. Only how to concentrate on checking in ones place. Okay, checking in the ones place. For example, look at the board. I am writing 4 different numbers on the board. Out of these 4 different numbers, we will identify which are even numbers. Okay, now look at the board. First one, I am writing 2-digit number 36. Next I am writing 3-digit number 125. Next I am writing 4-digit number 3426. Next I am writing 5-digit number 95030. Okay, now 4 different numbers are there here. Now tell me which are even numbers. For that, look at the board. What I said, which place value how to check children? Ones place, no? So, in the given number, on the given numbers, write ones place value. So, in 3636, ones place value, which number is there in ones place value? 6 is there. Next, write place value of ones on all the numbers. Okay, now underline those numbers. Now check it in ones place. What is the number is there? 6. Check here, is there 6 in this even? So ones place even number order? Yes. Is there a 6? So it means 36 will be the even number. Next ones place value, which number is there children? In ones place 5 is there. Is there 5 here in this list? No, not there. So this will be not an even number. Next, we will go to the next number. 3426. What is the last ones place number here? 6. Now check it in this list. 6 is there now? Yes. So write down that number 3426. It means from this list, this not only in your book, in your brain also you have to feed. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Finish. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these numbers are there in which place value children? In ones place, then that numbers are all called even numbers. Now check in ones place what is the last the number is having? 0. Is there 0 in this list? Yes, 0 is there? No. So write that number also. 95030. Like that in ones place if 0, 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 are there means that numbers will be called as an even numbers. Okay, now next. Look at the board. Odd numbers. Okay, even numbers completed now. Now odd numbers. Same. In ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If in ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If these numbers are there means that numbers will be called what? Yes, odd numbers. Called as odd numbers. Okay. Now for this also I'm going to write here example. Look at the board. Here also some examples I am writing. 94, 83, 183, 4371, 9236. Okay, like that numbers are there. Now tell me, from these 4 digits, from these 4 numbers, which are odd numbers? Okay. What I said for checking of even numbers, which place how to check children? Ones place. Even for odd number also, in which place we have to check? In ones place. So underline the numbers in ones place. Okay. Ones. Write the place values above that number. Now compare. Now only ones place you have to see. What are the remaining rest of numbers are there? Don't check it. Okay. Now in ones place, what are the number children? Yes, 4 is there. Now check, is there 4 in this list? 1 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there, 9 is there, but 4 is not there. So this is not an odd number. Okay, next. Check it. Next number. Which number is there in ones place? 3 is there. So check this. Check in this list. Is there 3 here? Yes. So 183 is an odd number. Okay. Next. In ones place 1 is there. In our list also 1 is there. So 4371 also odd number. Okay. Next. Check it. Last number 6 in ones place. Now, is there 6 in ones place here? Check it. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 should be. But 6 is not there. So, that will be not an odd number. Okay. So, like that, this odd and even, comparing odd and even, for odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 must be in the ones place. And for even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. Okay. If you know these numbers, which will be in the ones place for even numbers and which will be in the ones place for odd numbers, that will be easy for you to identify the even numbers and odd numbers. Okay children, now next I'll give you based on this, okay, based on this concept we will have some exercises. Now we'll discuss in the next class. Okay.